After you are done figuring out how to draw it, you're going to actually draw it. And you're going to get a white piece of paper and you're going to draw it. Now, here's the thing. I want to show you two finished examples. This one was done and it's okay. It was drawn, it's drawn okay, but the objects are all very, very small. There's a lot of negative space, a lot of background. Whereas this one was drawn and it really fills up the space. The objects are much bigger, so you can see that, you know, the objects are much, much bigger. They are so big they have to overlap, and so the composition is a lot stronger with this one because all of the objects take up more space. Okay, so after you have practiced sketching, pencil it out on your big piece of paper. Once you're done penciling it out, you're going to take a Sharpie and trace everything that is in pencil. This is another reason why if you do really small drawings, it's harder to trace with a Sharpie. And no, we do not have any pen-sized Sharpies. So you do have to trace with a regular size Sharpie. So trace all that out. And I'm just going to fast forward and come back when it's all traced. Alright, so after you have finished going over everything in Sharpie, be sure you erase all of the pencil lines. You don't want those. They do show up and it just looks sloppy. So the Sharpie does a great job of making it look nice and clean and have a great contour line, a great outline. But you want to make sure that any of those pencil lines that are still showing up, you get those erased. Okay? So just take back your pencil or your art eraser and get that all cleaned up before you start coloring in.